Hello everyone, my name is Anastasia. I'm an innovation consultant at ScaleNorth. And today I will show you how to enter dates faster using hotkeys or shortcuts. These shortcuts are supported only in the full date fields, which include month, day, and year. In order to enter date fields faster, we don't always have to open calendar link. For example, today is June 20. If we want to enter today's date, we can press just one button, lower T case, and we got our date. If we want to enter tomorrow's date, we have to press uppercase T, and we got 21st of June. If we want to enter yesterday's date, we can press lowercase y. To enter the last day of the month, we can press M button, lowercase m. To enter the end of the previous period, we can press lowercase l. And we got 31st of May. We can also always use plus sign to increase one day or to decrease one day. Now I'm going to increase one day using plus sign. I can do more, and if I want, I can make it 21st, tomorrow's date, or we can also decrease dates using minus sign, again, with just one click. Very easy and fast if you know the shortcuts. Thank you for watching this.